Why? Just because. Lately, a lot of fans following scientist Zodi have been DMing me, asking why the Magic V5 dares to claim it's the thinnest and lightest foldable phone. So today, let's unbox it ahead of time and see if it really lives up to the hype, whether it's truly the world's thinnest and lightest foldable phone, worthy of being called the king of foldables. When unfolded, it's only 4.1 millimeters thick, and when folded, just 8.8 millimeters, plus it weighs only 217 g. It really does achieve being both super light and super thin in 6 different ways. I really recommend that you, watching this, go and try it out for yourself when you get the chance. Just look at this dawn gold color I have. It feels so premium, and it has these textures that look like shooting stars streaking across, which makes it look really high-end. The middle frame even has this diamond pattern design, making the Honor Magic V5 look both businesslike and stylish, simple yet elegant and classy. I'm already falling for it, but don't rush, this is just the beginning. As the thinnest and lightest foldable phone, the Honor Magic V5 also has so many features that previous foldables couldn't even dream of. Even though it's so thin and light, it actually has a 6100 mAh Qinghai Lake Blade battery, making it the foldable phone with the longest battery life. And despite being so slim and lightweight, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading edition, and it's a fully unlocked chip. Take a closer look at the camera module. Not only is the craftsmanship top-notch, but it also features a periscope telephoto lens. The imaging capabilities are something to really look forward to as well. Even with such a slim design, its storage capabilities are incredibly powerful. It's the only one that can transfer files between Huawei, Apple, and Android devices. With the Honor Magic V5, you can share with anyone, and everything transfers super fast. After seeing all this, if you use your phone for work every day, aren't you already tempted? But hold on, there's even more to be excited about. Even with such a slim design, it perfectly combines the large foldable screen split screen feature with an AI assistant. All you have to do is give you a simple command, and it'll start working for you. One side displays your reference materials, while the other side automatically creates your PowerPoint. All you need to do is sit in front of your phone and collect the finished work. Also, Honor has solved another pain point for us, when we're in a rush to leave and need to book a ride quickly. With just a single command, you can hail a ride on multiple platforms at the same time, and once a ride is successfully booked, it will automatically cancel the requests on the other platforms. Yo-Yo is truly becoming a personal assistant, and that's only becoming more valuable. After seeing all these features, I have to say the Honor Magic V5 has created a new paradigm for AI productivity, and it really is the king of AI-powered foldable phones. Alright, I'll stop here. If I keep going, I'm afraid you won't be able to resist grabbing my phone. Anyway, this Honor Magic V5 really brings a lot of features and configurations to foldable phones that we never even imagined possible, and it makes full use of AI generation. It truly deserves to be called a pocket computer, definitely something to look forward to. But don't get too impatient, it'll be officially released on July 2nd.